Welcome back everybody to my channel. My name is Bilkis. Today's previous lesson we started with angle, so today we'll be going to what angle. So in the last class we were able to define what angle was, what a rotation was, and what a complete revolution actually was. Do you understand? And then we also talked about degree, that is the unit which we use or to quantify what degree actually, to quantify angles actually. All right, now before I go into today's video, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be the first to know anytime I upload. And please give us a like on this video, so that we'll be able to share, and let us be able to share this video to as many viewers as possible. All right, now today's video, today's class. We are going to be going to angles all the same. So let's copy and complete this table. Now in this table we have revolution, that is a complete circle. Do you understand? And then we have what the corresponding measurement, which is in what degrees. Do you understand? Like the other time I told you that a complete movement, that is when you start from point A. If this is point A and you start moving from point A, you start moving and you make a complete circle back to point A, it is measured in what? 360. Just like the hands of a time. The hands of a time start moving from 12 and then it goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and back to 12. That is a complete movement and it is known as what? Revolution. In terms of angle, that complete movement is what? Revolution. And in terms of angle, it is measured as what? 360 degree. Is that clear? Alright. So now I have one revolution to be equivalent to 360 degree. Now if I have two revolutions, what will be the corresponding degree? Let's see how to measure that. When I have what? One revolution to be what? 360 degree, it then means that two revolutions will be what? X, which I don't know. I'm representing x with the unknown value. I said that one revolution is 360. Therefore, two revolutions will be what? X. Now, this is what I have as an expression. So I'm just going to cross multiply it. This will multiply to 1 will multiply the x that we are looking for. So 1 times x will be what? X equal to 2 times this 360 now. That will be what? 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, 12. I'm keeping 1. 2 times 3, 6. Plus the one I'm keeping is what? 7. Therefore, my answer is what? 720 degree. So therefore, second revolution will give me what? 720 degree. Is that clear? Now let's go to the next one. The third revolution that I have is what? 1080 degree. Is that clear? Also, 10th revolution here. So just like we did the first one, two revolution is just 2 times 360. So the same way, that's what we are going to do here. 10 revolution is going to be what? 10 times what? 360 degree. Let's see. 10 times what? 360 degree. And that will give me what? 3600. That is what? 3600 degree. The next thing I want to look at is, now half of a revolution is known to be what? 180. Because a full revolution is what? 360. Meaning that the half will be what? 360 divided by 2, and that will give me what? 180. The same way, I want to see what 1/3 of a revolution will be equivalent to. Now let's do that together. Like here, one revolution is what? 360. Is that clear? So 1/3 of a revolution will be what? We don't know. Do you understand? So basically what you just have to do is just what you did in this case. That is a full revolution is 360. So 1/2, which is half revolution, is just divide 360 by these 2. So the same thing you are going to do in this case. You are just going to divide this 360 by these 3. Does that resonate with you? If it does, let's see what we can do. So 360 will now be what? Divide by what? 3. 1/3. Now let's see what that gives me. How many 3 can I get here? 1. How many 3 can I get here? 1. How many 3 can I get here? 2. How many 3 can I get here? 0. So I'm left with what? 120 divided by what? 1. And that will still be what? 120. So 1/3 of a full revolution is what? 120 degree. Is that clear? Now the next one we want to move on to is this. I'm not giving the number of revolution here, but I have the degree equivalent, which is what? 90 degree. So let's find out. Because I know that one revolution is what? 360 degrees. Do you understand? So how many revolutions represented by x will now give me what? 90 degrees. Is that clear? Let's see what we do. Now, since I've been able to equate it this way, to express it this way, and so from here we can cross multiply. This multiply this, and this multiply this. So 360 times x will be what? 360x equals 1 times 90 is what? 90. So my x is going to be what? My x will be what? 90 divided by what? 360. Is that clear? So now let's see what we can use to divide across both denominator and the denominator. So this 0, we cancel this 0. How many 9 can I get in 9? 1. How many 9 can I get in 36? 4. So what I have left is what? 1 over 4. And that is a quarter, is 1 quarter. So what I have here is, I have 1 quarter. That is 1 quarter of a revolution will give me what? 90 degrees. Now let's see what 1/10 of a revolution will give me. Let's check. Just like I did here, when I wanted to find 1/3 of a revolution, I want to find the equivalent in terms of degree. What I did was just to divide the full revolution 360 by 3. So the same way, because it's in fraction, I'm going to find the 1/10 of a revolution. I'm going to divide 360 by what? By 10. 360 degrees divided by what? 10. This 0 will negate this 0. So I have 36 over 1. 36 divided by 1 is what? Is still what? 36. Meaning that 1/10 of a revolution will give me what? 36 degrees. Is that clear? Alright, thank you everybody for watching today's video. Next class promises to be more enlightening. And please do not forget to share this video to as many people as possible that need it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And please do not forget again to hit the subscription button. I'll see you in the next class.